Yo, what's good guys? As always, it's your boy Wokes here, and I'm bringing you guys another video today on how to make a not make one, but have a video playing from your desktop background. It's very simple actually. I know I've had issues with trying to find it and stuff like that, and it's actually very simple now. And it doesn't really take very much out of your PC, which is nice. But yeah, hopefully you guys do enjoy the video. Make sure you guys subscribe, smash the like button, turn post notifications on, and let's get into it. So what you're first gonna need is this thing called Desktop HUD, and what you're gonna do is, let me open it up. You're going to go here and you're just gonna click where it says free wallpaper engine, and it's gonna download, I think, as a RAR file or an exe file, so make sure you download that. But for right now, I'm not gonna have it because I already downloaded it. And so what you're gonna get is pretty much a exe file that you're gonna have to open. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, so long ago. Should be somewhere. Anyways, so you're gonna get an exe file. All you're gonna have to do is pretty much double click it, and it will pretty much open it up like normal. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And what it's gonna do is you're gonna have this folder. You're gonna have like a RAR folder. It's gonna either make a RAR folder or a folder like this. If it makes a RAR folder, make sure you go in the file and extract it. If you guys don't know how to extract a WinRAR file, just pretty much click the file and extract file, and select the destination you want to extract it to. But anyways, so that's that. And then you're pretty much going to get files like this. So all you're gonna have to do is pretty much double click Desktop HUD, and this is pretty much where you're going to have get your live wallpapers and stuff. So what you want to do is, I'm just gonna stop it, and you're gonna make sure you have to have a video for this to work. You have to download a video for this to work. And for right now, I'll just do one of my older videos that I recently recorded, and it should start playing soon. I'm gonna click play, and then it's gonna play the video that I already made. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop it there, and then I'm gonna select another one. Yeah, this is the video I'm making right now, but I'm gonna just select this Razer keyboard one, or Razer wallpaper, and it's gonna obviously do it. And when you minimize it, it's gonna minimize this little taskbar section. And yeah, it's gonna be right in here. My OBS Studio, my OpenVPN, my desktop HUD, my Google Chrome, so on and so forth. So that's pretty much a very easy way of doing it. I really wish you didn't have to use a program. I wish they just did it themselves. Maybe there is, but I just don't know it. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you guys subscribe, smash the like button, turn post notifications on, and Wokes is out. Peace, guys.